Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an ombre effect using 2 gradient washes. Start with an even wash of 1 paint color. Then rinse your brush in water, and then without refilling the brush with paint, blend out the paint you've already put on the paper using your rinsed out brush. Keep adding more water next to that original color so the paint can blend into it. Next, do that same thing, but then start on the opposite side in a different color. Let the watered down paint in the center overlap so that the 2 colors can bleed together. I'll try this one more time so that you can really see it in action. For this technique to really work, make sure you're overlapping your paint just a little bit so that the watercolor paint can do its job and blend together. If you try this out and post a picture on Instagram, tag me at Snowberry Design Co. and use the hashtag SnowberryChallenge. I can't wait to see what you create.